I don't know why I remember an incident that happened to you many years back in Goa when you were working in the kitchen and the boiling oil fell on your body. The whole kadai. Yeah, you remember that? Any other person would have been dead. And your whole body got burnt with boiling oil. All on your face and all your body. But nothing happened to you. Yeah? Now, when you remember that incident, can you say to God, God, if I count my blessings, they are so little. Hey Bertha, if that day, if your husband was not saved by the Lord, at this young age you would have been a widow. Is it right? Come on, my friends. You know, when I was singing this song and my eyes went on him and I said, God, I remember that incident when boiling oil falls on your body, right from your face onwards to your body, you get burned. Can you see any mark of any burn? No plastic surgery. God's surgery.
Nothing.
God's surgery.
Then second day I start my work. It was at 12 o'clock and I was full of gas and rush. And we are busy and I have no staff to work. That time I was working and by chance it's come a fried rice and remove the fry from oil, frying the chips and I take a, the oil is completely full and full face, 180-degree oil, it come on my face. I have no chance. And soon I take a 2 kilo ice and just put on one side I start reading, I am the body Christ, Satan have no power. And second day I started working and within 1 month there is nothing. This is the God bless.
And when you got that oil, burning oil, at least you should have damaged your eyes. Yeah. But you see, absolutely chikna. Absolutely chikna.
And the second day, one more there, then I was working in Kuwait. My friend, he just keep open on 12th floor, he keep an open window and left. And that place is, I don't know about a horror, what is there. I just sleep, it was 12 o'clock, and 12 o'clock, one whole dance is going on. My hairs are coming up. Dance was going on, one girl is come and sitting, and she asked me to come and dance with me. And she's sitting there, I just watch, it's going on. And when I see the head is moving down, and I scared. And I told her, please get out from there. And from 12:30 I wake up until 1:30 I started praying and fall asleep. Morning I wake up. It is true fact. And same next day in downstairs I asked somebody what was happened. They told me 12th floor wrecked the case and that girl died. That is true. It is not a fault. And it's come in my mind, maybe it's come in my dream. It was that true what has happened there and it's shown. Praise the God. Because that moment, if I was not perfect to read my Bible, I will might be jump from the window because window was open there. Thank you.
Hallelujah. God bless you, Father. Can we just pause for a moment and just recall of the things that God has done in our life? And then we will sing this song. It's not about just singing the song. What are you saying? Lord, I come before you today, and there's just one thing to say. What? Or there's only one thing to say. Lord, I've got a list of my petitions. You have not yet answered these petitions. Is it that? Or are we going to thank God? Are we people of gratitude? Are we people who are selfish? Come on. Count your blessings and let's sing that again. Hey, has God done something for you? Wasn't there a time when you were in depression? Wasn't there a time when you were thinking of ending up your life? And today you are standing here and praising God. Young baby, hasn't God done things in your life?
I had depression as well. And today I'm here praising God.
And what about you, young man? Okay, what about you, sweet baby? God has
He's
done
done other
nothing.
things in my life.
God has not done anything in
He's
your
done. He's
life.
done. No.
You know, when you see small children suffering from sickness and disease, you begin to question, why Lord, why are they suffering? And when you look at your own health, you begin to wonder, what have I done so good that you are so good to me? It's only God's mercy. It's God's love. You know, during the break we saw the brother fall just one step and he fell down. How many of us have ever been grateful to God that our legs can carry our body? And tonight, before we leave this door, we will see our God perform this miracle on our brother. We will see him walking on his side. Only when we change our attitude. So shall we sing this song with understanding? Come on. Come on, let's sing it again. I come before you today. And listen. Don't bother about the music. Don't bother about whether you sing it right or wrong. It doesn't matter. What matters to you is, am I singing it from my heart? A person can be a good singer and God can't even hear that. And a person can be a broken singer, but words coming from the heart. And God is saying to Saint Michael, and He's telling the other angels, can you hear that voice? Can you hear that? Can you hear that? A person might be saying, I want to sing on the mic. And let me tell you, if it's just a performance, it won't even go past this roof. But if it is from your heart, with a gratitude of thanksgiving, it breaks through the roof. And maybe your neighbor can't even hear you singing, but God can hear it from your heart. So shall we begin? Come on, let's sing it.